Would you like to say na sa current administration may nanghihingi, pero sa past administration walang nanghihingi?
Your Honor, meron din naman po na may nanghihingi po. Pero hindi ganun kahigpit po. For example po, hindi uso ang 3-strike policy po noon. Na pag naka-disqualified po ang contractor na 3 ulit, mabablacklist na.
Alright. With your admission na may nanghihingi din po, question, bakit hindi mo sinama doon sa affidavit mo?
Your Honor, ano po yun? Hindi naman po naging successful yun. Kaya hindi ko na po...
Nonetheless, may nanghingi pa rin. It's you who admitted. May nanghihingi din po during the past. You know why I'm asking you this line of questions? Because there is a principle in the law of evidence, falsus in uno, falsus in omnibus. False in one testimony is false in all testimonies. Bakit parang nagkaroon ka ng selective amnesia, Mr. Diskaya? Would you like us to believe na may nanghihingi during the current administration tapos walang nanghihingi during the past administration? How would you even explain na during the past administration, top 1 contractor ka from PCIG data, and yet you are claiming walang nanghihingi unlike during the current administration? What I wish to point out, Mr. Diskaya, your affidavit is full of inconsistencies and lies.
Your Honor, ang affidavit po na ito ay tungkol lang po sa pagsuporta po namin kay PBBM po. Kasi po, ang kanya pong finalash po sa TV nung nakaraan po ay report po tungkol sa mga unprogrammed po na project. Kaya dito lang po ang salaysay ko hanggang...
Okay, then let me ask you, if you are saving your statement by claiming that you are pertaining only to what the President discovered as anomalous projects during his administration, let me ask you, sino yung mga nanghihingi during the past administration?